Pete, say hi to everybody. I'm going to show them your new apartment. Okay. Here's the wall. And all his stuff. Everything else still fits. Giraffe probably has to say bye-bye. I don't know if we really have enough room for him anymore. We go into the room. Peyton's crib. Pretty much the same. Enough room to kind of walk around in here and visit the little guy. Hi, Penny. My giraffe. And walk out. Changing table is outside of the door.